How does overexploitation lead to resource depletion? Imagine a fish swimming freely in the ocean, full of life and energy. Now picture that fish being caught faster than it can reproduce. Overexploitation happens when we harvest natural resources faster than they can naturally recover. This practice can quickly lead to fewer and fewer resources available over time. When humans take more fish, trees, or animals than nature can replace, the resources start to run out. This is known as resource depletion. It's like borrowing money from a bank and never paying it back. Eventually, the account runs dry. In ecosystems, every species plays a role. When we overharvest a species, it can throw off the balance of the entire environment. For example, overfishing can remove too many fish from the ocean. This can cause the populations of smaller fish or plankton to grow unchecked, which then affects other marine life. Forests are another example. When too many trees are cut down for timber or agriculture, the forest cannot grow back quickly enough. This leads to less habitat for animals and fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide. Overexploitation also affects biodiversity, which is the variety of life in an area. When a species is overharvested, its numbers drop sharply. If the population falls too low, it can't recover and might become extinct. This reduces the genetic diversity that helps species adapt to changes. Without enough genetic variation, species become more vulnerable to diseases and environmental shifts. To prevent resource depletion, conservation efforts are vital. Governments set rules like fishing quotas and logging limits to control how much can be taken. Protected areas are established where no harvesting is allowed. Education plays a role too, helping people understand why sustainable practices matter. When we harvest resources responsibly, we give nature a chance to recover and keep ecosystems healthy. In the end, overexploitation is a serious threat to biodiversity and the health of our planet. By understanding how taking too much can deplete resources, we can make smarter choices. Sustainable use of resources ensures that future generations can enjoy the same natural wealth we do today. It's all about finding a balance between human needs and nature's ability to renew itself.